A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is giving you another reaction. Today we here with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. I did a teacher with State Evidence. Yes, that one dropped about 5 years ago. 2021 after the album, after the project Dance and Divas. But this one is a dance. So this is Vybz Kartel State Evidence featuring Lisa Mercedez. Yes, let's get it.
Yo! Not for una go on like una bad man, but una informer. Yo, una for Lego from boy. I want some idiot boy. Yo!
Teacher, tell them.
State evidence, them pussy they a feds. Come talk in a court, then come a wall ends.
Pussy clot. State evidence, them pussy they are feds. Them are work with the popo, them are informers. Informative information they've given away. And then them are forward out of court and come and lurk around the ends and go like on a pussy all this.
State evidence, them pussy they a feds. Come talk in a court, then come a wall ends. Gun pa your waist with the rest of bugs them. One bag of rum, bag of grabber, you know all men.
Yeah, man, you know all the mess, man. Yeah, play both sides. Yeah, work with friends and then you come and itch up with gun, pound waist and a rub out and miggle and a drink special, a drink boom. Hey boy.
Gun pa your waist with the rest of bugs them. One bag of rum, bag of grabber, you know all men. Who no ever have a excuse, ever want explain why you make a bitch move. Anybody?
Yeah, you ever have an excuse? You want to explain why you make a bitch move? Bro, we don't need no explanation. We don't need no explanation. You do it already. What you did do, it can't nobody did do. Big up Pablo.
Who no ever have a excuse, ever want explain why you make a bitch move. Anybody with you a snitch too. Me no care how you feel, say your bad suck your mother little fish.
Bumbo class. Wait no man. We don't care, brother. We don't care how you feel about suck your mother.
Not for una go on like una bad man,
Mullet.
but una informer.
Redderin.
Yo, una for Lego from
Starfish.
boy.
Snapper. Parrot. Dr.
I
Fish.
want some idiot boy.
Sprat.
Yo.
Ready. Alright.
State evidence, them pussy they a feds. Come talk in a court, then come a wall ends. Gun pa your waist with the rest of bugs them. One bag of rum, bag of grabber, you know all men. Who no ever have a excuse, ever want explain why you make a bitch move. Anybody with you a snitch too. Me no care how you feel, say your bad suck your mother little fish. You know one got jail, but you want fire shot, so you're great.
You brave.
Yeah, you don't want to do the time, but you want to do a crime. Are that your problem that, you know? Are your problem that? You don't want bumbo clot, do the time, but you want to commit a crime. You don't want to go to jail, but you want fire shot. You don't know, you have illegal gun. You have legal or illegal gun. Which one you work with?
You know one got jail, but you want fire shot, so you're great.
You brave,
Pussy just wait, seal up your fate. You know one got jail, but you want fire shot, so you're great.
I fool that.
Pussy just wait, seal up your fate. Enough of them so-called bad boy, you broke the code. If you never say you would, you would have still there road. But the back.
Enough of them so-called bad boy, upon the kind of them bad, the baddest thing, me flick the most up, me do the most of this. But guess what? Them no one got jail. Them broke the code. Them broke the code.
Them so-called bad boy, you broke the code. If you never say you would, you would have still there road. But the box where you get.
Man say if you never say a word, you could have still the road. You could have still the road if you never say the word. But guess what? You're an informer.
Call bad boy, you broke the code. If you never say you would have still there road. But the box where you get you all chat where you no know. How you feel so you are going dead in the show.
The box where you get you chat where you don't know. Brother, how you feel so you are going dead in the yet?
Where that boy dead where you get you all chat where you no know. How you feel so you are going dead in the show. Where that boy they a study, crash to me. You want make the streets bloody, you flood it. Stop going with your fuckery. You no puppy like your mouth don't turn a dopey. You no must lucky car. You know one got jail, but you want fire shot, so you're great.
You brave,
Pussy just wait, seal up your fate. You You know one got jail. But you want fire shot, so you're great.
A fool that.
Pussy just wait. Seal up your feet. Stop watch your phone screen, see the big picture. You not take life and it nah make you richer. Tell me where you sit when you're looking at the mirror. You say your talks down, me say your snitcher. Sit down in a station, I write literature. Sit down in a station, I sign signature.
Blood clot, you sit down in a station, I write literature. You sit down in a station, I write a whole encyclopedia, a book. Yeah, leak like bus pipe. Yeah, y'all sign signature after your statement. Eh? What you see when you look in the mirror? Eh? What you see? Your face say you're a gangster? Eh? Your face say you're built for this? No, you're not. You're not built for the streets. That's why they make bumbleclad sidewalk. We walk on the sidewalk. Sidewalk. Sidewalk.
Richard, tell me where you sit when you're looking at the mirror. You say your talks down, me say your snitcher. Yeah. Sit down in a station, I write literature. Sit down in a station, I sign signature. Sit down in a car, I say Tony ignition. Flames in addition and Tony bitch mission.
Bumbleclad.
Sit down in a car, I say Tony ignition. Flames in addition and Tony bitch mission.
As you turn the ignition, flames in a car and done a bitch mission. Alright. Oh, remember Scarface when they set the bomb in the car. As the man goes and start the car. Warm to the car. Yeah.
Sit down in a car, I say Tony ignition. Flames in addition and done a bitch mission.
Flames.
You know one got jail.
Wait.
But you want fire shot, so you're great.
You're brave,
Pussy just wait. Seal up your fate. You know one got jail. But you want fire shot, so you're great.
A fool that.
Pussy just wait. Seal up your fate.
You don't know in a world boss. Freedom is a must. And that must say.
Pussy just wait. Just wait. Pussy just wait. Just wait. Seal up your fate.
Bumbleclad. You done? Alright, you done. Yeah, teach. Bumbleclad. Them no one got jail, but they want to do crime. How that makes sense? Then what kind of sense that they make, brother? Then that makes sense? That don't make no sense, brother. That don't make no bumbleclad sense. If you don't want to do the bumbleclad crime, you don't have him prepare to do the time. That's what the GSA writer saw. You know a bitch, brother. B-I-T capital C-N-H. You know a bitch. Eh? Gaza fans, don't fret. Teacher, yes, him free. We never have to take a bet. See there? In their road. Lisa Mercedez, big up yourself. I believe you're behind bars as well. Freedom for you, mama. But big up yourself, teacher. Yeah. Big up yourself. I mean, I don't think about that flashback, yeah, that memory lane one. Yeah. It's just 5 years, but it's not very long. But yeah, I don't think about that one still. Big up. I'm out.
Vybz! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.